Welcome students in class 1 moral science e-classes organized by St. Mary's Convent School. Today we are going to read chapter 7, The Light of Wisdom. What is wisdom, children? Wisdom is intelligence, smartness, wiseness that a person uses in everyday life. Let us read story The Last Wish to learn more about wisdom. Let's start. One day in the beginning of winter season, a witty means wise farmer named Ranjan went to the city to sell grains. After selling his grains, children, he placed means kept his earnings safely in a bag. By then, night had set in, means it was getting very dark. So Ranjan decided to stay in an inn. Inn means, children, hotel. When Ranjan went to spend the night in the inn, that means hotel, he came to know that all the rooms were already occupied. Occupied means, children, filled. The innkeeper means caretaker of that hotel was a jolly man. He allowed Ranjan to share his room. Before dinner, he narrate means told many funny incidents of his life. He advised him to be careful as stealing was common in that area. Hearing this, Ranjan put all his money in the pillow of his bed and went to sleep. Now let's see, children, what happened next. That night, a thief entered through a window into their room. The thief searched for money and other valuables, means jewelry, etc., but could not find anything. Suddenly, the innkeeper woke up, saw the thief, and tried to catch him. The thief, angered by his inability to find money, stabbed means to push a knife the innkeeper and jumped out of the window. See, children, what he did. He killed that innkeeper. Meanwhile, people hearing the noise gathered there and caught Ranjan. He was misunderstood, means by mistaken as the killer. Children, people gathered there thought Ranjan was a killer. The soldiers of the king threw him into the jail. Next morning, he was assembled. Summoned means assembled before the king. Ranjan pleaded, means begged, that king that he was innocent, but it falls on deaf ears, means unable to hear or don't want to hear. Let's see, children, what the king ordered. The king ordered his guards to hang him till death on the charge of murder of the innkeeper. Since it was a custom, children, custom means kind act, to fulfill the last wish before giving death punishment. Children, now let's see what was his last wish. The king asked Ranjan to tell about his last wish. Ranjan was a man of wisdom, means smartness or kind. He knew that only the time could prove him innocent, means blameless. How smartly he answered, children. So he said, I wish to see with your trained sons on this throne, means king's royal seat, before my death. As the king himself was a bachelor, means unmarried person, then everyone in the court started looking at Ranjan in wonder, means surprised. Meanwhile, the guards caught the real culprit, means criminal or killer. The king, realizing his mistake, ordered his guards to release Ranjan and gave him 500 gold coins as compensation, means repay for damage. Lesson we learn from this story: act wisely in the time of difficulty. Now homework. Read the chapter and do question BCD in book only. Thank